Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to find and replace text in PowerShell strings. So, as I said before, in this video you will learn how to find and replace text in PowerShell strings. I will show you some examples, some methods that you can use, so I think it will be pretty interesting. We can start with using something what we call -replace. This is a regex-based method. Regex means a regular expression. I will cover this in the next videos, but for now we will create a simple string. So for example, the string t, that will be hello and for example word, like this. I will press enter. Our string is working, as you can see, and now we have to use, as I said before, something what we call -replace. And now we have to specify two words that will be separated with comma. At first we have to specify the words that will be deleted. So for example, I want to get rid of the word hello, and I want to replace it with the word hi. So like this. I will press enter, and as you can see, my word hello has been changed into the word hi, and right now we are printing, instead of hello word, hi word. So this is the first example. Now we can move to the second example that will also be contained with the replace option, but we have to check if this option is case sensitive or case insensitive. So let's do something like this. Let's do the string, for example, hello world. I tested it before, and now we will use -replace, and we will again change hello and we will replace it with hi. As you can see, we are passing the hello with the one uppercase, and the rest is in the normal characters. Here we have the all uppercase hello. If I press enter, as you can see, it is changing, so it means the -replace method is case insensitive. But now, how to make it case sensitive? We have to just simply, before the replace, add the letter C. And as you can see, now we are printing hello because we don't have the exact hello in this string, because now it is case sensitive. Now we can use replace. So we can do something like this. So text equals apple and apple. We can do something like this. So text, and now with the dot notation replace, we will replace the word in the parentheses and in the quotes, the word apple. We will replace it with the word orange, like this. What we are doing, we are pressing enter. As you can see, we have orange. So it replaces exact text only. So I think if I will do some, for example, apple and like this, as you can see, this is case sensitive, so it is not working like this. You have to specify the exact text that you want to replace. Of course, we can do the multiple replacements. So let's do the new variable. So for example, text2, it will contain string cat, dog, maybe with the like this, cat, dog and mouse. And now we will replace in this text to -replace, like this. We will add the cat, we will replace cat and dog. So we have to use pipe in order to do it. We have to separate it with comma again, and we will replace it with animal, like this. I will press enter. As you can see, we have animal and mouse. So if you will do it with the pipe like this, and you will use the and you will use the, I mean, if you will use the pipe and you will specify the word, every two words will be replaced. So this is how you can do it. And this is basically all in this video. This is how you can replace string in PowerShell. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.